Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST TracTech Evo 4 Mesh Jacket. We are currently offering the TracTech Evo 4 Mesh Jacket for $144 on our site. That is an incredible value. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a kick-ass motorcycle jacket. Do not let that price fool you. Don't let you think this is some pile of garbage. No, this is a great coat that sells at a very fair price. Before I dive too deep into the review, I just want to cover this back protector deal. This comes with a back protector pocket to accept the RST insert. Due to some unfortunate circumstances, international shipping is FUBAR right now, and we don't have the RST inserts here as of today, so we came up with a suitable replacement. This is the Icon D30 Viper 1 size medium back protector insert. Fits perfectly in this pocket. We'll show you that in the second part of this video. $30, this is a perfect alternative to the RST piece, and we recommend to everyone, when you buy a coat like this, add on the back protection, whether it's this piece or if the RST piece is in stock. We'll have this in the RST category, by the way. It's a great idea to add it. Let's talk sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds on the money, 33-inch waist, nice and trim right now, all the working out at the racetrack during the summer here with Max Van. I'm wearing a size 44. And this thing fits and feels exactly as I would expect. This is a great summer riding jacket. Full mesh paneling, nice robust mesh. Front there, inner arms, large mesh panels on the back, stretch panels. Here in the impact zone, we're using a ballistic nylon, CE level 1 armor, and the elbow, forearm, shoulder, integrated shoulder slider, works in conjunction with the armor underneath to bolster protection in that area. We've got reflective screen printed logos, reflective piping, volume adjustment here at the bicep. Volume adjustment here at the cuff is provided with just Velcro, right, and textile flaps. Volume adjustment here at the waist. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets both sides. Zippered storage on the left side inside the liner, and then a slip pocket on the right side, so you've got storage. There is a zip to pants attachment system that works with the RST textile pants. We do have some of that stuff on the way, but once again, due to international shipping, that stuff is not here right now. But this is an excellent hot weather riding jacket that sells at a crazy low price that we're proud to offer. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to get this coat off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go. Inside out, the all-new TracTech Evo 4 Mesh Jacket. Armor that is included. CE Level 1 certified, low profile, flexible, moldable, comfortable. This is your elbow and forearm piece. This is your shoulder piece. This actually comes in a pocket that provides a little bit of adjustment. Okay, you're able to kind of change the height. I'm gonna slide the sleeve inside out here, just kind of give you a quick look at how that happens. Here is the opening for the pocket down here towards the cuff. You can see right here there's another patch of Velcro up a little higher than this one. If you need to move the armor up, what you'll do is you'll make sure that this is all opened up. Slip this in. There's another little patch up here at the top. You're going to have to go ahead and disengage that and then push the armor to the end of the pocket, like so. Get in here. I want to go ahead and secure that piece of Velcro, and then of course the one that holds the pocket closed, and that will effectively raise the armor in the pocket. You know, it looks like probably a solid inch. Okay, so there's a little customization available in terms of how the jacket fits and feels. There is no back protector included with this coat. We do have a measure of the RST inserts that are on the way to us right now. International shipments have been challenging at the time we're shooting this video. So what we wanted to do is we want to make sure that we had an alternative here for you that is available and in stock. This is you'll find this in the icon section of the website. This is the D30 Viper 1 size medium back protector. This is a pretty sweet piece. I dare say it's a little thinner and lighter weight than the RST piece is anyways. This slips right in the coat. It's a $30 piece as of the time we're shooting this, and it takes the level of protection this coat offers to that next level that we should all have. Definitely should have a back protector. The coat itself, and this is a whole hell of a lot of coat for just over 140 bucks. We have a heavy-duty mesh paneling all throughout the coat to encourage tremendous airflow. Reflective screen printing, RST, TracTech Evo 4 here, RST down there. Large motion panels are done here in textile across the shoulders. Sleeve of the coat. In the high impact area, there's more reflective screen printing with the RST logo. In the high impact area, you've got a ballistic nylon up here in the shoulder. You have an inlaid shoulder slider that works in conjunction with the shoulder armor to really enhance protection in that area. Volume adjustment up here at the bicep. Large mesh panel here in the inner arm. Volume adjustment at the cuff is provided with textile and Velcro. We have two hand warmer style storage pockets that have zippered closures, right and left side of the coat. Front of the coat, you have another screen printed reflective RST logo right there across the chest. Cool lines, the way they block this out, it's pretty sweet. Some reflective piping, RST logos here. Inside the jacket, got a nice mesh liner. Here's a zip to pants attachment system. If you want to pair this up with a pair of the RST textile pants, we have some of those on the way too, just waiting on them. You can do that through the zip to access the armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. You're going to open up the zipper here at the base of the jacket. To install the back protector, right? This comes with the pocket only. Remember, there is no foam or anything included with this coat. Just go ahead and lift up on the pocket like so. You can see how well this D30 piece fits in there. Bam, look at that. That is filling out that pocket perfectly. Super lightweight, low profile, and comfortable. A great complement to this coat. Zippered storage pocket here on the right side. Left side over here on the right. We have a slip pocket. So you got ample storage in this jacket. Good looking jacket. I'd say great looking jacket. And I think the best part here is the amount of value that you get. This is a whole hell of a lot of motorcycle jacket for a very little amount of money. You even go ahead and add on the CE certified back protection, right, which I would encourage everyone to do. You are well below $200. You got a super bitchin' sport riding coat that is purpose built for hot summer days. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.